Shri Mohan Lal, born in a village in Sialkot district, now in Pakistan, had his early education in Lahore and migrated to Delhi during partition. He completed his BA Honours in Mathematics, standing first in the University of Delhi and bagged 2 gold medals and All India Postgraduate Fellowship. On completion of post-graduation, he was awarded Research Fellowship by Delhi University as well as Ministry of Education, Government of India. He joined PGDAB College, University of Delhi as lecturer in mathematics and climbed up the ladder to become principal in 1974. He was a member of Academic Council and Executive Council of the university. He was also nominated as Treasurer of Delhi University Students' Union and Secretary of the Employees Welfare Fund. Besides his teaching assignments, Shri Mohan Lal has been associated with training of mathematics teachers. He was involved in the Summer Institutes for School Teachers and was nominated as co-director of Summer Institutes by the University Grants Commission. He authored a 2-volume book entitled A Textbook of Algebra, which was published by NCERT. This book was first of its kind and was considered as a pioneer work in new mathematics. The CBSE bestowed on him the responsibility of convener of a mathematics committee to write textbooks on mathematics. These were written by a team of experts under his guidance and were finally published by NCERT. The books were very well received and highly appreciated by the students and the teachers. Later, he contributed chapters for mathematics books published by NCERT. Apart from this, he has to his credit a number of research papers published in national and international journals. Shri Mohan Lal was sponsored to visit USA in 1971 by the National Council of Scientific Education, India and National Science Foundation USA under the USAID program to study various projects in mathematics education. He visited about 15 institutes, held discussion with eminent scholars involved in mathematics education, and delivered lectures in workshops and seminars. He was invited by Government of Iran through NCERT to deliver lectures on the status of mathematics education in India in an annual conference of the Iranian Mathematical Society. Shri Mohan Lalji was associated with SERT, NIOS as convener of Mathematics Committee and IGNOU in their programs for preparation of materials in mathematics and training of teachers. He also acted as an expert for EDCIL, New Delhi. He has been the president of Delhi Association of Mathematics Teachers for over 20 years, an organization engaged in buoying up the students to mathematics through Olympiads and capacity building of teachers in mathematics. His active involvement in academics at the social level attracted the attention of Bharatiya Shikshan Mandal, which nominated him first as president to his Delhi chapter and then member of National Executive. He was also nominated as a member of the Governing Council, Government of India, and a member of Advisory Committee of Curriculum Changes in Science and Mathematics. Impressed by the services rendered by Shri Mohan Lal, the DAV College Management Committee nominated him as Secretary of DAV Education Board and Secretary Arya Sabha. In this capacity, he has been looking after the academics and promotion of Sanskrit and value education DAV schools throughout the country. His relentless work in DAV Education Board culminated in DAV Center for Academic Excellence. He is responsible for the preparation of material for textbook, more than 100 titles, their revision, educational kits for nursery classes and multimedia CDs for public schools. He is a guiding force for conducting common examination in all DAV public schools. After his retirement from the position of principal, the DAV College Managing Committee appointed Shri Mohan Lalji as its secretary. He served the great organization that capacity for 2 years and was then elevated to the position of vice president. Needless to say that the DAV College Managing Committee runs over 800 schools, institutes, colleges, professional institutes, and a university. In recognition of his pioneering work and exemplary work in the field of education, Mr. Chancellor Sir, I present Shri Mohan Lal with a request to confer the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa on him.
By virtue of the authority vested in me As Chancellor of this university, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa, and in token thereof, I authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree.
Yeah. May I request the Chancellor to present the degree to Shri Mohanlal ji. Shri Santosh Taneja originally belongs to Dera Ismail Khan, Northwest Frontier Province of erstwhile unwedded India. He graduated from prestigious Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala in 1968. For 5 years after graduation, he devoted himself exclusively to social work. Subsequently, for 30 years, he worked in various capacities in different government organizations and retired as chief engineer from HUDCO. While working for DDA, he came across Mr. M.N. Bush, the then vice chairman of DDA, and was inspired by his working and realized how effectively the bureaucracy can contribute to the process of national building. For the next 9 years, after exhaustive deliberations with various luminaries and educationists, especially from Vidya Bharati, he visualized a platform to effectively contribute to the pillar of bureaucracy of Indian democracy. The vision culminated into setting up a social organization by the name Sankalp that identifies, grooms, and counsels the deserving students from school level onwards to prepare for civil service examination with special attention to the underprivileged. Shri Santosh Taneja's relentless and dedicated efforts have resulted in about 5,000 nationally and socially committed aspirants to clear the civil services examination. In 2003, he was assigned with the responsibility of the managing director of Bharat Prakashan that publishes 2 national weeklies, Panchjanya and Organizer. Besides this, he has more than 25 years of fruitful association with Sanskar Bharati and Rashtriya Sikh Sangat. He has traveled many countries to deliver lectures, hold seminars. He has been very active nationally and has visited all the Indian states repeatedly for the express purpose of spreading the reach of Sankalp. Consequently, Sankalp is now established in Delhi, Ludhiana, Chandigarh, and Jaipur. Sankalp chapters have also been established by Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram in Bhilai, Vyas in Kerala, and Amritanandamayi Ma Ashram in Thiruvananthapuram. On 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, the Ramakrishna Mission bestowed honor on Shri Santoshji for the special contribution of Sankalp to the society. Shri Santoshji has been constantly working to propagate the ideals of youth icon Swami Vivekananda and inculcate integrity, compassion, and excellence in the bureaucrats through Sankalp. In recognition of his pioneering and exemplary work in the field of social work, Mr. Chancellor Sir, I present Shri Santosh Taneja with a request to confer the degree of Doctor of Letters honorary causa on him.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Chancellor of this university, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa, and in token thereof I authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree.
May I request Mr. Chancellor, sir, to present degree to Shri Taneja.
Thank you, sir.
I declare the special convocation closed.